Hi guys, how are you doing? Hey, bonus video time. Oh my word, it must be 5 to 6 in the evening and I've just got in from work. Anyway, there was a little box waiting for me when I got back and I was absolutely perplexed as to what it was. Had absolutely racking my brains thinking that there must be a mistake here, but it came and all became complete and utter surprise. There's a little box it came in, complete and utter surprise when I opened it, but all became clear. Look at this. Happy birthday, John, from Mark Davis. So first and foremost, thank you, Mark. I'm just absolutely blown away by Mark's kindness and generosity towards me. I really, really am. From the bottom of my heart, Mark, thank you very, very much. And I opened it, and I've come to the conclusion Mark's actually telepathic, because I opened it and look what came out. Razor Rock. Now, do you remember Mr. Wolf sent me the goat to use? And I thought, that's a nice razor, that. But I wasn't really in the market for a goat. But I went on looking just to see what they were. But I was looking a couple of weeks ago also as well at Razor Rock, because I'm a big fan of Razor Rock razors. And I actually picked this one. I thought, when the time comes, that's the one I'm going to get. And lo and behold, look at this. You see it there? Razor Rock Super Slant L3 plus open comb. Look at what's it? Look at this absolute monster, guys. Absolute monster of a razor. Well, I say that, I've not took it out of the tissue. I just saw that and thought, we'll do this bit together. But here you are. Look at this. Open comb slant with the UFO handle. That looks like it is going to be a beast. Okay, so thank you very much, Mark. Look at that. Woof. There you go. Okay, so I've already sorted the shave out for Saturday, and there can only be one star of the show, and it's Mr. Murray's. So what I'm going to do is then I put that away, and I am going to see if I can find maybe a Razor Rock shaving soap. I must have one in there somewhere. And on the Wednesday shave, we will do a Razor Rock shave. What do you reckon? Well, a Razor Rock shave, we'll get some Razor Rock splash and salt, a Razor Rock razor. Yeah, we'll do something a bit special. But I just wanted to come on here and publicly acknowledge Mark Davis, his wonderful contribution, his kindness and his generosity, and say thank you, and just let you know what's coming up on the Wednesday shave. Bye.